interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Franklin County, last seen on 1955 Tamarack Circle North in the city of Columbus at 8:24 a.m. on February the 9th, 2021. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2008 Acura MDX with Ohio registration JBF 7637. The child's name is Alpha Camara, 4 months, black male, weighing 20 pounds and is 19 inches, brown hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing navy pants and a maroon long-sleeve shirt with My Little Cutie written on the front. The suspect is unknown. The vehicle was stolen with the child while left unattended. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH, 1-877-262-3764, or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes this emergency alert system message.